10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And liftoff of OSIRIS-REx, its 7-year mission to boldly go to the asteroid Bennu and back.
Firing look good. Starting pump speeds, injector pressures are within family. SRB chamber pressures have plateaued, begun to ramp off.
Heard the voice of Marty Malinowski. The Atlas has begun a pitch and yaw maneuver to steer to its planned path, 28.5 degrees inclination from the equator.
SRB chamber pressure is almost plateaued at this point. RD 180 injector pressures are good.
45 seconds into flight.
Whole program is complete. Boosters throttled down.
And the Atlas rocket carrying OSIRIS-REx has gone supersonic. Standing by to pass through max Q, maximum aerodynamic pressure.
Max Q, vehicle body rates continue to look good.
This is the point when the mechanical stress on the rocket reaches its peak because of the rocket's velocity and resistance created by the Earth's atmosphere.
Signatures look good. Current altitude is 14 miles. Downrange distance is 9 miles. Current velocity 2,488 miles per hour. Range track shows vehicle progressing down the middle of the range.
In about 30 seconds, the single
speed.
solid rocket booster will be jettisoned at 2 minutes 19 seconds.
And booster has throttled back down. It's now 50% of its liftoff weight. Next major event will be SRB jettison, coming up momentarily.
And you see the solid rocket booster jettison.
Solid. Separation looks good.